Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata we're going to go over how you would remove this exterior handle so that you can replace it if you need to. Also in that process, this is your key cylinder. We're going to go how you remove that and so forth. Now this handle has an electric cable in it, and it's so when you hit this button it'll unlock the doors or lock the doors when you're walking away, and so you'll need to be a little bit careful with that. So to start with, you'll open up the door. We've got this cover right here that we need to pop off, a little black cover. So we'll pop that cover off, and right inside there is a number 8 bolt. You should be able to just loosen it or remove it completely. Do your best to keep it on your driver or with your socket, because otherwise it'll fall under the door and then you'll have to take off the whole door panel to get to that. And then what you'll do is you'll pull the handle out and be able to wiggle this out and to be able to remove it. And so that is your door lock cylinder that has been removed. So we've got that removed. And with that removed, now you can remove this handle. And so this handle, you're just going to push it to the back, and now you'll be able to pull this out and pull it out at a good 95, and then you'll see you'll pull it out and you'll get this electric connector here and be able to the connection to undo it. And so that's how you remove your exterior door handle. And then you would get a new one, needs be. And of course, because this has got the smart key and the electric key, you got to make sure you get the one with the electric in it for your car. So that goes in a little bit further, and you would just pull it out a little bit with some needle nose. You don't want to pull it too far. And we tighten that on, and now you'll be able to just feed it back in. So now you'll just be able to feed that electric back in, get it at a good angle, get it all lined up in there. And then once you got it lined up like that, then just pull it back into place. And then you can take your key cylinder and line that up, pull the handle out a little bit so that one will go in, and then put your number 8 screw or bolt back in. And tighten that up, and then you can put your cap back on. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.